what? Cookies that I made that actually look and taste good? Oh my gosh, you guys have to watch this video all the way to the end because I will let you know. Good afternoon. So today, since the weather is starting to become a little more chilly out, I will be doing some cooking shows. I don't want to say shows. Episodes? Episodes? Yeah, episodes. We'll go with episodes. So cooking episodes. So I'm in my kitchen. My name is Keith. So Keith's Kitchen or whatever. But we are going to make cookies today, or I'm going to make cookies today. These are called coconut orange slice cookies. Yes, I don't know if you've seen those orange slices, the little candies, little orange slice candies. But yes, we are going to make those into cookies. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So don't worry about the amounts. I'm going to list all of the amounts down below, so you can get those down below. And while you're there, make sure to go ahead and comment. And if you've made these, I would really like to know how you liked them. And from there, let's get going. So it says 1 cup shortening. So what we're going to do is we are going to cream together shortening, sugars, and this is going to be creamed until light and fluffy. So I'm going to put my shortening in. I almost dropped that whole thing. 1 cup of brown sugar, and then 1 cup of regular white sugar. And the brown sugar is packed, and I'll show you how to pack that there. So if all you have is just measuring cups to pack brown sugar, this is my 1 cup, so I have my 3/4 cup. And what I do is I just put that inside and just pack it down. I'm just gonna do that way. So 1 cup of both packed brown sugar and regular sugar. And now we are going to cream these until fluffy. Until light and fluffy. I'll show you what this looks like here. Okay, I think that is light and fluffy. So, okay. So then it says to beat in eggs and vanilla. So we have 2 eggs at room temperature and put them in. There's 1 egg. Here is 2 eggs. Make sure not to get any. You didn't even see that, did you? Of course not, because I don't have it right. There we go. So 2 eggs in, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon vanilla. I'm going to mix those in. Mix, 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 mix. I'll show you what it looks like there. Oh yes, I forgot. Make sure to preheat your oven. Make sure to preheat your oven at 350, which I just did. That way it's nice and warm. In a separate bowl. Stop! Oh, wow. Okay, in a separate bowl, you are wanting to mix together or whisk together. Whisk together the flour. What is it? Flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. So, flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt. Just going, I don't know why you have to whisk, but whisk. Okay. And then gradually you're going to cream this together. Or measuring cups. Maybe measuring cups would be better. Whisk all this together. It seems to be blending it quite nicely. Let me show you here. It's starting to look like cookie dough. I think so. So we're just going to finish our blending gradually. I don't know if that was real gradual, but so I'm just going to let this go. And then I've got my coconut. I have my orange slices already measured out, and I have my oats that I've measured out as well. Let me see if I can move this over so you guys can see it more. Okay. I think I'm going to start with the oats. Get all those mixed in. Now this is really going to start getting, from what I'm seeing, kind of lumpy because of the oats are so dry. And then I'm going to go ahead and start adding my orange pieces in. Now these orange pieces are really sticky. So when you're cutting these, if they get a little too sticky, then you can always add a little sugar. And that will help unstick the orange slices together. Now you can also use Splenda if you don't want to use regular sugar. You can probably use almond flour if you don't want to use regular flour, just to kind of make it a little bit healthier. Do these one piece at a time here. More orange pieces. Yep. Okay. Orange pieces and coconut going in. These are really starting to clump, and I need it all mixed up. So while I'm doing that, get my pan here, and my parchment paper. Okay, I think that's going to be good. So So now what we want to do is get this out of the way for you. So now we're going to roll these into like 2-inch size little balls. So 1, 2, I think these are about 2 inches, maybe a little, might be a little big. So roll. I'm not a big fan of coconut, to be honest with you, but since the recipe said coconut, like you saw, I'm just gonna add it in and we will see we're gonna see what it tastes like. So, I don't know, we'll see. You will see. But you do what you want to do. If you don't want to put coconut in, don't put coconut in. That might be a little too big. But if you like coconut, go ahead and put that in. So, there's one tray. So this is a little bit smaller tray, so it's going to be less cookies. But that's okay. So, I'm gonna go ahead and put these in, and I will show you what they look like when they come out. So in they go. In they go. Okay. So then we cook those for about 15 to 18 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna say 16 and a half. I'm gonna go in the middle and put 16 and a half minutes in and start. So I will show you these when they come out. Make sure to stay tuned and we'll see you shortly. All right, everyone. The cookies are just about finished. There's like 15 seconds left. So I am going to bring you down here, away from everything. And I think you might be surprised of what they look like. Oh, there they are. Okay, I'm tilting you down here. Okay, yay, cookies! So, oh, look at these. Look at these. Ooh, they look so yummy. Okay, I must say, I am kind of surprised that I made these cookies. Because like I say, I really don't cook. But they kinda, I mean, besides them touching, they actually kinda look good. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. I actually made cookies that look good. Well, let's see how they taste, but look at those. Okay, so now I have to actually put them on a drying rack, or a cooling rack, not a drying rack. A cooling rack. Please stay. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Yeah, some of them did stick together, but oh, look at this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Cookies are yummy. At least I think cookies are yummy. They almost look professional. If you can call myself a professional, which I'm not going to call myself a professional. But I must say, I am very proud of myself that I actually made cookies. So I'm guessing this recipe, oh no, it's gonna break if I do it that way. Okay, let's see, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm guessing this recipe is going to make about 30 cookies, just depending on how big you make these things. So I am actually going to try these. That is the big question. So I'm gonna grab one. Yummy, yummy. And let's see. I think they're pretty good. It's funny because I got some of that orange, and you think that the orange would be really, really strong, but it's really not. It's kind of like a hint of an orange. It's actually really good. So yes, guys, if you want to try these, you must make some of these. And if you do, make sure to let me know in the bottom. Or if you have made these before, make sure to comment and let me know in the bottom. I think I might make more cookies. I think I may do this. So I have a recipe book full of cookies. And yeah, I might make more cookies and post them on Thursday morning. So watch out for those in the near future. And thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And with that, make sure to check out my other videos, and you guys have a good day.